Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 3 programming assignment 1. So this is the question guys. So we are going to show you the solution. So here you can see this is the solution. I will zoom this for you. So hope now you can see this. So here you can see this guys. So words input dot split. So this is comma. So note it down. So don't forget to mark the indentation guys. So the order of the code, so repeat as it is, don't make any changes. You can ignore the hashtag hash guys, hash comments, directly write the code if you want, and don't forget the indentation. It is very important. Don't even leave single character guys. So I'm going to show you the after submission code, the status, the result. So hope you have noted it down. If not, you can pause the video or you can take a screenshot of this guys. So now let's see what happened after I clicked on compile and run button and later submit button. I'm zooming it out. So this is the code, right? So first I have clicked compile and run button guys. After that you have to click the submit button. So I am showing directly after clicking the submit button. So this has happened. So first you have to definitely click on compile and run button guys to see the status of public test cases. Only assignment submitted after clicking the submit button. So submit button is must. So you can click submit button, then the private test cases are passed, right? Now let's go on to move on to the second programming assignment. So this is programming assignment 2 guys. We have also made a video on quiz solutions. You can also watch that guys. I will give that in the end of the screen card, right? So this is the second question code. Once again I will zoom this for you. So small code, very simple. So this is the code guys. If you ignore the comments, that means hash, then only 4 steps are there. Import math, next weights equal input dot split, next floor underscore weights. So this is square bracket, str string, math dot floor of float of w and braces space for w in weights and closed bracket square bracket. Next print of comma should be mentioned within quotes, single quotes, dot join method of float weights guys. Here each and every character and the indentation also matters. So in this program, indentation is not shown. In the previous question it is there, right? So in Python we don't have any parentheses like in Java or some other C programming. So the space or the order which we maintain represents the loops or conditions. So we have to follow that, otherwise indentation error will occur. So hope you have noted it down guys. If not, you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video and note it down. So that's it. Now let's get back to the result. So after clicking on this submit button, then only assignment will be submitted. Here they have clearly given, you have to click on the submit button, right? So after clicking on the submit button, all the 3 test cases showed passed. So our code is 100% correct. So before getting into the third programming assignment, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. For the course Joy of Computing using Python, we have got the exam preparation MCQs. These are past NPTEL assignment MCQs. So we have got collection of 9 past semester assignment MCQs. You will get that in the PDFs. So with 5 to 6 years of NPTEL experience, we have provided this. So here 125 MCQs, 150 rupees guys. So it is random collection of NPTEL assignment MCQs. So next 240 approximate MCQs, that means nearly equal to 2 semester equivalent MCQs, 250 rupees. 3 semesters 360 rupees, 360 MCQs, and 600 MCQs approximately, that means 5 semesters MCQs equivalent, 500 rupees only. 600 MCQs 500 rupees only. 1000 plus MCQs 800 rupees only. So if you increase the number of MCQs, the price is decreased, guys. So choose the appropriate pack. If my suggestion, if you follow, at least 360 MCQs is to go by, because you can cover more number of questions and more syllabus, guys. So 360 MCQs 360 rupees only. So validity will be till the exam results day. So please share this news with your friends and classmates in WhatsApp student groups. And discounts available if you take it along with a group pack. That means if you take it along with more than 2 persons, then prices will also be given discount. So this is single person pack, guys. If you take it along with your friends or classmates, the prices will be reduced based on individually. So for combined group price will be less if you share with individuals. So select the appropriate pack, guys. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack and prepared last year. So that's it, guys. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email ID if you are confirmed to make the purchase. I will give the same email ID in the description box also. So this is the mail ID. So this is the mail ID, guys. You can mail me to this email ID to get the confirmation for the payment process, right? So this is Google Drive PDF restricted link. Validity will be till the exam results day, so no need to worry about the validity. So last question, guys. So last programming question, that is programming assignment 3. So this is the question. I am directly providing you the solution now. I will zoom this for you. So this is quite a big question actually. I mean quite a big code actually. So I will zoom this for you. So this is the initial part and there is second part also. First you note this, guys, so you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video. So don't even leave any single character. This is underscore, guys. For loop for underscore there is a space. So here also the same underscore. This is comma. Why I am telling all this is, if you get confused and if you replace this with any other character, then you will not get the correct intended output. So please take this carefully, guys. Hope you have noted it down. If not so, then please pause the video or you can repeat the video once again. So I will scroll this, guys. So there is the remaining part also. So this is the final part, guys. So this is the final part. So don't forget the indentation. So this is the end of the code. So you can take two screenshots, the first part and the second part. You can combinedly, based on that you have to merge, guys. So until the for loop, this part we have already shown in the first part. You have to extra add this part only, right? So take a note of this, guys. I am zooming it back. So now click on the submit button. So before I have clicked compile and run button to check the public test cases. Now I have already clicked on submit button to check whether the private test cases are satisfied or not. So all these three are satisfied. So our solution is 100% correct. So guys, these are the 3 programming assignment solutions for week 3. Hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and do purchase this huge number of MCQs pack, guys. So choose any pack that you can pay for, right? So already many students and even professors have also taken our pack. Validity will be till the exam results day. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.